Looking for work in the UAE? Its vibrant international community, modern lifestyle, and booming markets, projected to grow even more in the next decade, all promise a significant boost to the region's hiring potential. As recruiters and HRs in the Middle East are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their practices, though, they look for well-executed CVs that can pass applicant tracking system and are compliant with the regional hiring requirements. What are those requirements, you ask? CVs created for the Middle East significantly differ from the ones used when applying elsewhere. In some cases, the differences are mutually exclusive. Should you add a photo or not? What is the acceptable CV length? Do you add an objective or a summary? How to determine the best keywords for the skills section? Sounds complicated? Don't give up just yet. Resumeble is here to help. Our professional writers with international experience will arm you with the best CV on the market, which is fully compliant with the UAE hiring standards and can easily beat any applicant tracking system. Resumeble, professional resume writing services. We write resumes that get you noticed.